Welcome to the Digital Transformation Series, where we explore how businesses evolve and the role of business analysis in driving meaningful change. Let's start with one of the biggest drivers of digital transformation, business transformation itself. Imagine a logistics firm. For years, it thrived on B2B contracts, but now it wants to enter the direct-to-consumer market with an app, live tracking, and new service models. Strategic shifts like these demand more than a new business plan. They demand new systems, new processes, and often a new way of thinking. This is where the business analyst steps in. First, we map the current state, understanding what works and what doesn't. Then, we define the future state, aligned to the new vision. We work with stakeholders across the business, operations, tech, finance, to uncover needs, risks, and opportunities. We translate strategy into actionable requirements. What features do we need? What systems should integrate? Where do we need automation or redesign? And finally, we stay close through delivery, helping teams test, adapt, and adopt the change. When strategy shifts, it's not just a technology problem. It's a business transformation story. And BAs are at the heart of that story. In the next episode, we'll discuss how technology advancements reshape businesses,